Today I'm going to explain how to see who has read your message. You send a message, but how many people actually viewed your message? Let's see by an example. Like you write here, how are you? Then this is the IT space. You send the message. There is a four member here. So one of the member, I think, seen it. Okay. Also another member seen it, right? Now you can see three message viewer, right? In this way, you can see how popular or how many people seen your message.